Alright, here we're gonna add the Maggi, and Maggi in the kitchen make good. Maggi coconut powder. So I'm gonna use 2 packs, and you know coconut powder bring up the taste and everything. So I'm gonna put 2 packs of coconut powder in it. Maggi coconut powder. Then I put a small amount of water and then mix to refine the mix. Yeah. Mix it gently, really lovely. Yeah. See, and it have a lot of body. Yeah. Don't use too much water. And then what I'm going to do is to put this coconut powder in the peas. The boiled, soft peas. You can look at it. Really pretty and lovely. Lovely. So I'm going to give that 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Then I go back, look at my nice chicken breast and thighs. Really lovely. Yeah. Really nice. Yeah. We allow it to be white because what happened is stew peas. We're doing stew peas. Okay, this is a special one because what happened, my family are Seventh-day Adventists. You know, my big sister Cecile, Shoshana, you know, and my other mom, who is Seventh-day Adventist. So I'm going to do this. And I know they will love it. Okay. I'm going to give it another 10 more minutes. Here, 10 minutes. And remember, we have to keep the flame really low. Low flame. Okay? So when I come back with part 3, you will see how I joined the chicken and the stew together. Okay, and I'm sure viewers would want to taste this stew piece. This stew piece is a masterpiece. Okay? Alright, here we go. We're going to do the transplant now. You see, my chicken is so lovely, soft and juicy. So we're going to do the transplant now. Move this part, it's here, and then what we're going to do, wow, you got the coconut, really boiled, and the peas are so soft. So we're going to add our chicken to it. What you want to do is to make sure to drain off the oil because the chicken produce a lot of oil. And remember, we are all into healthy eating people, so we're going to do a little oil draining here. And then we continue to add the chicken. Yeah, really nice. Yeah. Add the chicken in there. Add the chicken. Yes. And then we're going to leave it there for another 15 minutes because what you really want to do is to extract some of the water because you want it to get really thick. Alright, I will tell you how we're going to do that naturally because what happened, the peas will boil out and it will natural. Then we're going to add the good St. Andrew scallion, pepper, and a few cloves of garlic. and give you all the flavor and all of those stuff. So here we're gonna go again. We're gonna cover it because I'm giving you step by step. So if you want to know to make chicken stew peas, you can make your comment. Justice Bennett will contact you and give you all the detail and steps. Okay, guys? So here we go again. We're gonna cover really here tight, not a lot of fire, really low fire. And then we're gonna do that. Okay? So I'll come back to you in a short while.